we are going to be, within the next 8 to 10 years, absolutely the finest place in the country for early phase clinical trials. And that's what really offers hope to a large segment of cancer patients. So we have to develop new therapies, we have to do research, we have to understand how to do a better job of treating those folks. And that facility and that support that we get from Johnson County every year is absolutely vital to making that happen. With designation, we are assuming the mantle of being responsible for every single cancer patient that's diagnosed in this region, whether they come to KU or not. A lot of it involves putting together specialists for each particular type of cancer, and there are well over 200 different types, and also ensuring that each patient is reviewed and their case is looked at by a multidisciplinary team of folks that includes surgical oncologists, radiation oncologists, medical oncologists, specialized nursing care, specialized pharmacy care, and then having a treatment plan that is devised by the entire team. And we've recruited people from all over the country, and have actually, out of that 1,100 people that we brought on board, over 100 of those were faculty. We have docs that just do breast cancer, and we have docs that just do GI cancer, and we have docs that just do prostate cancer. And they work with people from other disciplines that also specialize in those types of cancer. We calculated that the total investment from all sources into this effort was around $350 million. And that was used to build new buildings, that was used to recruit new faculty, that was used to build new programs, and really catapult ourselves into that elite status, which is an NCI designated center. Now, for the return on investment folks in the crowd, the answer to the next question is, well, what did you get out of that for that investment? And from 2004, actually from 2005 until 2010, we already had $450 million return on our investment in terms of new economic activity. And that was calculated, that wasn't guessed. And so, not only has that investment now, paid off in the form of a new cancer center, it's also driven a lot of new economic activity. We've, as of 2010, and we're going to be updating these figures for our new strategic plan, we'd already created over 1,100 jobs. And they're far from minimum wage jobs. These are just about all of these folks have a minimum of a bachelor's degree, if not a graduate degree. They're exactly the type of people that the Chamber of Commerce is desperate to attract to this region. What is our projection for the next 5 years? And we have projected that figure, and we're going to get close to $450 million over this from the period from 2010 up to 2015.